Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The National Water Commission (NWC) says Alliance Finance Services is no longer authorized to collect bill payments on its behalf. The NWC says the contract between it and the financial entity was automatically cancelled after the Bank of Jamaica suspended the license of Alliance Financial for breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Proceeds of Crime Act. Now, the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, earlier this week indicated that the payment arrangement with Alliance was also suspended. On to some tourism news. 16,237 cruise ship passengers have visited Jamaica since cruise shipping resumed in August. The Jamaica Tourist Board says this was across 10 different cruise calls. The agency says the rebound of cruise has significantly impacted the craft industry, with trips to markets being included in cruise itineraries. Transport operators have also significantly benefited from the return of cruises. And Canadian low-cost carrier Swoop has expanded service to Jamaica with the addition of bi-weekly non-stop flights between Toronto and Kingston. These are in addition to 4 weekly flights now provided from Toronto and Hamilton to Montego Bay. The inaugural flight into Kingston arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport from Toronto on Wednesday with 142 passengers and crew. Now, the currency, authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $155.20. $122.12 is the going rate for the Canadian, $206.04 for the pound, and $176.97 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 1,283 points, while the junior market index lost 15 points. Among today's winners were T-Tech, Cargo Handlers Limited, Scotia Group Jamaica, First Rock Capital Holdings and QWI Investments, while on the losing side were KLE Group, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, and Salada Foods. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.